Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's daily cipher word is going to be Satoshi. So it is Satoshi. Satoshi is today's daily cipher word, and as always you line up the letters S, A, T, O, S, H, then I. So these are today's daily cipher Morse codes. For S, you look for S on the screen. So S, you're going to be on this side. So you look for S. As you can see here, S, there are 3 dots. So it will be 3 dots for S. Then A, you look for A. It's a dot and a long press. Then you look for T. T is here. It's a long press. Then you look for O. O is here. You long press 3 times. Then you look for S. S is here. 3 dots. Then you look for H. H is here. 4 dots. Then you look for I, and I is here. 2 dots. So we are going to be solving that in the Morse code. Let me turn over to the phone. Okay, it's time to put in the Morse codes. As always, click 3 times on Unpar tab until this button turns red. We'll start with S, which is 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. That's S. Then A. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3. That's S. Then A. Then T. Then O. Then S. 1, 2, 3. Then H. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I. 1, 2. And the word is Satoshi. Lastly, click on take the prize. As simple as that. That's the Morse code for today. Satoshi. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.